I think working in manufacturing is a great career choice because it's ever-changing and ever-evolving. 50 years ago, manufacturing was really just assembly. And now there's so much technology coming in, and there's so many job opportunities from assembly all the way up through engineers. There's a lot of opportunity in manufacturing. Being in manufacturing and growing up in manufacturing has very much shaped who I am. It affects your life, and I've got 2 teenage boys, and I would encourage them 100% to go into manufacturing. And with Quanex being so diverse, I'm like, you could join the Quanex team, you could work in the R&D lab in Akron, you could go work in a plant. There's so many things that they could do.
People that are nervous and concerned about getting into manufacturing, I would say come in and give it a try. I love people giving people tours. Young people today, people getting out of high school, college. I love to bring them to the factory and show them what it is. We can give you a full-time job, we can give you a nice career, and we got room for growth. And I like to see people come in and grow in our factories and be promoted, and that's what happened to me. And over 30 years, there was multiple promotions over them 30 years. I get a sense of pride in the manufacturing environment when I know that I'm providing a good product and we're putting it in people's homes and we're improving people's quality of life. I like the speed, I like the action, I like the processes, and that's what's motivated me.
So somebody who is getting into the manufacturing business, I will tell to them, enjoy the ride. You will meet a lot of great people, you will collect a lot of experience, you will create for sure a great career, and you will have a lot of fun and a lot of good time in front of you, that's it. It makes me much more experienced, it makes me stronger, it makes me a better human as well over the time, because there are a lot of challenges over the year and you're building up your characteristics in a positive way over the years. And this is what I really, really enjoy. This is great.
So I'm really proud that Quanex has taken the steps that we have on diversity as a whole. I'm excited about the work that we're doing with women in manufacturing. I'm excited that we have a workforce that is more gender diverse than the industry as a whole. And we want to be sure that the women that work here feel like they belong here and that they are included here and they have opportunities to learn and grow.
My biggest piece of advice that I would give a woman that's coming into manufacturing, no matter what level she is on, is you work hard, but don't feel like you have to work harder because you're a woman. You won't be treated any differently here. Don't come in here thinking that you have to prove yourself. Just work hard, do a good job, you're good. Everybody's on the same page.
I enjoy manufacturing. It's been able to make something, particularly what we do, that spacer bar, to be part of something bigger in a really prestigious project. We've got products in the Eiffel Tower, for example, so that's what really excites me. We've got a great culture, we've got an inclusive culture, everybody has a voice, and we push the boundaries. We continue to innovate and we continue to develop our team. It's a great industry, the career opportunities are boundless. Continue to develop and learn and just be the best you can be.
I think someone would choose Quanex to get into a manufacturing career because we're very good at manufacturing. We have systems, we have the equipment, we have the engineering support. We have all of the key components to make a successful manufacturing company, but I think the ability for us to manufacture complex components certainly is appealing for anyone looking to get into manufacturing.
I like the challenge. I like that every day is a new day. I like that we get new products. I like that Quanex is very innovative and coming up with new ideas, so it's not the same thing every day. We've extruded vinyl PVC for the last 25 years, but how can we do it differently? How can we offer something new, something that's gonna make it easier for the customers or better for the customers? I feel heard when I bring ideas. They're listened to, they're considered. Same with my team. It's just the way Quanex treats their employees, I feel, is so different from so many other companies. You really feel valued. My name is Karen.
My name is Jeff.
My name is Johan.
I'm Kim Garcia.
I'm Chris.
My name is Jack.
And I am part of something bigger.